Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today I'm showing you the Makita LXT. This is the DGA and that's 452 80 volt LXT. Alright, so this is 11,000 millimeters reg. Anyway, it's made in China. Alright, so when you buy this thing, I've just bought it online for 80. It was on a discount. The handle goes on either way. It came like that. It also came with a Makita stone cutter. I also ordered 3 of these hourglass. These are metal cutting blades. They're only 66p each, so I don't know how long they're going to last, but this is what came with the kit. And that's the instructions. So came with this tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a fiddle with this. One of the things I like about it is obviously it takes the standard, the new star rating LXT new batteries. So that flashes on there. I'll show it again. It's like that flashes on just to indicate that you know, the battery's loaded in. Really down quiet. So looking at it now, it feels a very, very well constructed machine. It's got the rubber grips on that. It's quite long, you know, which is good. I'll just put this handle on here. This is dead easy. It grips nice and tight. Looking at the instructions now, that just slips on. I'll have to have a look at that. Obviously you guys will know how it goes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a play around with that, and I'm going to try the original Makita metal blade. This is actually made in Thailand because it's cheaper. But you notice the difference in thickness on that. So this will last a long, but these for 66p. That's the instructions, guys, right? Alright guys, so all you need to do to get this off, right, basically it's the bearing box, which is here. So you just use that, and then you hold that like that. Then there's a button on there. You hold the button and just depress that, and that will just take that right off. And ensure that you hold that button and then use that tool, and that's the bearing box screw. So we're installing, removing, depressing the center grinder wheel multi-disc on there. So the first thing we need to do then is put the guard on, the wheel guard. So you can see it comes like, so obviously the wheel guard needs to be in position like so. So we're going to drop that on. It needs to go that way. You can just see a ratchet there. That's it. Let's just had it on earlier on. There we go. There's a little notch on there, so that needs to be in line with the notch, like so. I did this before. There we go. May need to go and pause this. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. That's the one. Right, so there's also, so this can be a bit of a fiddle, but once you get the hang of it, you've got the hang of it. So I shall be back in a sec. Real time. Literally, you just slide it on. See, I wasn't putting enough force on that. Then there's a nut that you can adjust, which is the taper screw, which is here. These are all things that, like, when you get it, you know. And there's a screw. You can just see that there. Just tighten that up. Right. This, of course, is going to stop any bits of metal flying in your face. Right. Alright, so it's the first time I've had this out, so really it's tight as you can. You don't want it flipping about, so that's got to be parallel with that. Alright, well, the next thing you need to do is fit the wheel. So you're going to be putting down your various nuts. It's the grinding wheel multi-disc down. So we've got the lock nut and the shaft nut, so we put that down, then the disc. Alright, so that goes on there, then that simply goes on there. Right, so the way I'm reading it, that the sign on this should be that way, but I think it's the other way, to be honest. That way. Yeah, that's right. We'll tighten that up with this. Again, that you push that down to depress and just use that tool, and that'll tighten everything up. There you go, that's locked in. Let's have a quick look. So that's that. And that's how it should be. So that's it, guys, as simple as that. So it's a good tool, feels very solid. All I've got to do now is test it out on something. So we've got this piece of metal here, so we're going to have a go at this. Right, that's really good. So what I want to know is, how well is it cut at cutting off nail heads? So we've got these little nails here, which you can see sticking out, so we're going to have a go at them. So we've done a bit of cutting, guys. Let's just see what the battery's saying. Hasn't even touched it. So that's a quick look at that tool. Very, very good. An excellent tool to have in your arsenal, guys. I'll do some more demos. This is just a quick look at this. Thanks for watching. And I'll get you later. The weight wise, probably the weight of a couple of bags of sugar. That's with the battery as well. Thank you, and catch you later.